Hazem, today I'm going to show you how to add rooms to Reddit. I mean, not Reddit, Revit. So, I've created my drawing here with my walls, and now my customer's like, I want to know what each room is and how big it is, and he doesn't want to multiply. So if you look, you've got a measurement here, 14. So this room is whatever width it is, and you don't have to put every measurement, just what you need. But let's say we've got a copy. I'm gonna just delete this drawing here. So I'm gonna make an architectural drawing. So I've got my drawing, and I'm gonna go duplicate with detailing. Or actually, I'm not gonna do detailing. I'm just gonna go duplicate. And this way, my measurements don't show up because I don't need a second page with measurements. But we're just gonna go new, and we're gonna just call this rooms, for example. So rooms. So we've got our drawing here, or we've got our, and we're gonna go down to sheets, and we've got our construction drawing already. So this is my construction drawing, and now we're gonna duplicate this sheet as duplicate empty sheet. So now we got A104, and we're just gonna rename this rooms, and I go OK, and then we'll go back here, and we're gonna drag our new rooms drawing to our sheet. And now this turns blue to tell us that we've got our drawing here, but you can space it wherever you want to space it. And then we'll go back to sheets now, and we're gonna go to architecture. And now remember, we're on our sheet view, and we're gonna go area, and it's gonna say area plan, and then what floor do you want? So you can just choose rentable or whatever, and just press OK here, and it'll automatically figure out exterior walls on your sheet. So now you've got exterior walls, and now you click on room, and it automatically, you can place the room automatically, or you can do it yourself. You might want to, now depending on, now if we do it automatically, boom, it's created 100 and whatever rooms. And now the thing is, the numbers could be off, right? So the problem with this approach is two things. First of all, here I've got a boxed in column, which Revit thinks is a room, and then it thinks the hallway is a room, and their order isn't correct. So room 103, and then 116, and 117, and 105. Now if you're gonna come back and make signage for your rooms, and that's gonna frustrate your customer, so we're just gonna delete all these, and we're gonna do these one at a time. Now the other thing is, you can have what's called room separator. So I can create a line here. If I wanted this to be 2 rooms, for example, or even 3 rooms, I can create a boundary line, for example, just like that. And then I can go back to architecture, and I can just now go room, and now this is a separate room, and this is a separate room, and this is a separate room. So you cannot put a room, there is no room, but delete this as well. So what I want to do is I want to go room, and then figure out rationally what order you want to put these in, and you can adjust so you can center these if you want, and it automatically assigns room numbers. Now if you think, let's say based on the floor, now if you don't want to start your room at 1, you can do your first room, let's say, and you can double click on the room tag, and you can edit the room tag to, whatever font you want, or you can edit the label. So actually you want to double click on edit type. You can change You can change the font size. You can change whatever you want here. You can put whatever you want, but in this case we're just gonna leave it the standard way, and then we're just gonna go back here. Now we cannot set the room name, so we can call this office and enter, and then if we go architecture, we can go room, and then just go room here, for example, room, and it's automatically going to number these. And then start at the top, for example. Now, oops, went too far here. So here, here, here. Now, one thing that's a bit of an issue on this drawing, as you can see, is that we've got oops, fence can't have a room, so that's the outside. Doesn't really like that, but it still kept it. So although technically outdoors is not a room, so now that we're done here, we're just gonna go back to our drawing set, and actually we're okay. Where did I go here? What happened? Oh, so our rooms are here, but we don't see them. Tag room actually, and then just click on the room, and it'll automatically give you the room name. Now you can go back. Now this is the final drawing here, and all your rooms show up. Now if you double click, you can edit the name of the room. So I can go office, and I can also change the room number. So if I can go 107. Now if I do, now you can't have two rooms. You can have two rooms with the same number, but you will get a warning about that. So you want to be careful. Now the other thing that I wanted to do was add a square footage to it. So